Hello everybody, welcome on today's video. This video is actually for testing of the water flow for brand new JBL 902 filter. This one is just 1 week old, and so let's see what the current flow will be. And just to point on that fact, I had to buy the new one because of my old 4 years old Tetra X 800 plus filter has started to leak, and there was no fix for it already, so I just switched to the new filter. And so let's prepare for the testing. Okay, we are all set. Just to mention that this filter has 3 baskets, and just 2 of them are packed of the sponges, and the third one is empty currently because of the media, the biomedia that will go there are currently under this old Tetra X 800 plus filter. And so after the while I will change the biomedia in that new filter. So let's start. Okay, as you can see, the brand new JBL has the water flow 514.28 liters per hour. JBL claims the flow of 900, but as we know, it is common to slice it half, so the real flow should be 450 liters per hour. And having one basket empty while testing the flow, it is not that bad water flow, I would say. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye.